Hey guys, Flip Man here. So I'm in my Mesa Airbnb and I just wanted to go through the necessities that I put in all my kitchens. I recently had a friend out from Nashville and he's also a super host. He stayed in Tempe, Arizona. He was blown away with the lack of necessities in this one property he stayed at. So it's very important as host, super host, that we put everything we could think of for the guests so they're not having to run out and buy silverware, buy mugs. We want to have all that here. The food is the only thing that it's their preference, so we don't provide food as an extra. Some hosts do, but we don't do any shopping or anything like that for the food. What we do is we stack it with plates. We typically do, depending on the size of the home, this one is 2 bedrooms, so we have 4 plates here for eating, 4 bowls, some bigger bowls for serving, paper plates. You know, sometimes they'll be chilling by the barbecue in the back and they just need paper plates. We got those here. A lot of cups. So we have tons and tons of cups. We typically will go to the dollar store, you guys, and pick up these. So I mean, these are solid wine glasses and I think they cost me like $1 each or something. We also put in, you know, plastic forks if, again, we have a barbecue here, so sometimes they're out back cooking. Those come in handy, or if they have kids, just for mac and cheese, spoons. I like to put this in because I love the spice rack. So if they're here for a period of time and they want to cook some steaks or chicken, coffee cups we have here. So I always provide this big tub of Folgers black coffee that I get at Costco. It lasts quite a while. We got the coffee filters, some sugar. This other stuff is just some things that we actually didn't put in, but we just left. Measuring is important, so we have that for cooking. We have this blender. Early on, we didn't have a blender at one of the units, and that was a request, so now we put them in all of the Airbnbs, so in case they want to make smoothies, drinks, what have you. Knives are very important, so I typically get a good solid knife set there with scissors. That's a Costco item. Spatulas here. Always have toaster, little coffee maker. This one we didn't have any area for built-in, so we just bought this little cute micro. I think it was like $80 at Walmart, so we do a lot of shopping at Walmart. Flashlight, a lot of silverware. I buy extra silverware there. That's a Costco item. Can opener, wine opener is important. We do provide all the napkins, all the paper towels up here, and that's stocked for the maid where she'll replace them out when they get low. All our pots and pans are in this area, so I buy the heavy duty ones at Costco, like the solid sturdy ones. So you want to get these as a set, as a group, and they'll last forever. So that's the almost conclusion of everything you need for the kitchen. The other 2 items that are very important is your fire extinguisher for safety purposes. Every Airbnb does have a fire extinguisher. We put it underneath the sink. And then we also have our first aid kit, and then some garbage bags for the guests, extra paper towels, wipes, and for the dishwasher. And then we get some all-purpose cleaner that smells good. We want something smelling good. That's really everything you need for your first Airbnb in the kitchen. So convenience is key, guys. Think about what you would want in when you're traveling. So same thing, we want to make it very convenient for the guests. So again, they don't have to go anywhere except to buy their groceries, and that's what it takes to be a super host, is add value, add convenience, time savings, and you got it all here in this kitchen.